Good morning po. Welcome to DPWH Sorsogon 2nd District Engineering Office, Payawin, Gubat, Sorsogon. Scheduled for today's opening of bids are three projects. 24FL0039, construction of drainage system along Gubat Municipal Building Compound in Barangay Pinontingan, Gubat, Sorsogon. 24FL0050, construction of San Bernardo to Miliga Beach Access Road, Bulusan, Sorsogon. And 24FL0095, concreting of San Ramona, Barcelona to Santa Barbara FMR, Barangay San Ramon, Barcelona, and Barangay Santa Barbara, Bulusan, Sorsogon. So today is July 9, 2024, and present here today are the following: Dave Clint B. Almilla, back chairman; Erwin S. Encinares, back vice chairman; Chloe F. Valaros, back member; Leia E. Fontanares, back member; Bernadette P. Laguna, head TWG; Rebecca H. Ermino, back secretariat; Nathaniel B. Alegre, back secretariat; Maricel D. Isico, back secretariat; Rebecca D. Labalan, back secretariat; Glenn L. Emicio, back secretariat; Ruby Ann Diyaw, back secretariat; and Christian E. Austria, IT representative. Mr. Chair, meron na po tayong quorum and wala po tayong representative from Contact.
Good morning po. Since the quorum was declared, this bid opening is now called to order. Please proceed po.
So let's start opening the bids for 24FL0039. May we request the back secretariat to please retrieve their bids from the bid box. This project, with contract name, construction of drainage system along Gubat Building, Municipal Building Compound, Barangay Pinontingan, Gubat, Sorsogon, has an ABC of 4,950,000 with contract duration of 107 calendar days. So ito po ang kanilang bids. Meron po tayong 2 bidders who submitted manually and wala pong nag-submit through our electronic submission. Ito po ang kanilang bids, properly labeled, sealed, and signed. And prior din po sa pag-bilog nila, ay chine-check na po ito ng ating back secretariat. May we request the back secretariat to please open their bids. And while opening their bids, let me read out those bidders who submitted for 24FL0039. First, Kaila Construction Supply, and second, Fulleros Botox Builders and Design. Mr. Chair, ito na po ang kanilang technical proposal. And while opening this, let us request our back secretariat to simultaneously process their eligibility requirements through our civil wards application. Okay na po ba ang checklist? So first bidder for 24FL0039, we have Fulleros Botox Builders and Design. Bid securing declaration. Signed and notarized. Organizational chart. Signed. List of contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract with their qualification data. Certificate of employment. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract, supported by certification of availability. With attached proof of ownership, certification of availability of the minimum material testing, with attached list and proof of ownership. Omnibus sworn statement. Signed and notarized. Affidavit of site inspection. Integrity pledge. Pickup. Tax clearance. Next bidder for 24FL0039 is Skyla Construction Supply. PhilJeps. Bid securing declaration, signed and notarized. Organizational chart for the contract, signed. Qualification of key personnel proposed to the assigned contract. List of contractors' key personnel to be assigned to the contract with their qualification data. List of contractors' major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract, supported by certification of availability, and with attached proof of ownership. List of contractors' minimum material testing equipment units to be assigned to the contract, with attached proof of ownership. Omnibus sworn statement. Signed and notarized. Additional technical requirements. Mr. Chair, we have finished opening the technical requirements for 24FL0039.
Hintayin po muna natin yung results na binigyan.
Mr. Chair, I have here with me the result of their eligibility requirements processed to our civil works application. And upon careful evaluation po, Mr. Chair, it was found out that both bidders, Culieros Botox Builders and Design and Kaila Construction Supply, passed their eligibility requirements po.
Since both bidders passed the eligibility and technical requirements, please proceed with the opening of their financial proposals.
May we request the BAC Secretariat to please open their financial proposal. Mr. Chair, let us proceed opening their financial proposal. First bidder for 24FL0039 is Culieros Botox Builders and Design. Bid form, summary of bid prices, bill quantities, detailed estimates, summary of unit prices, cash flow. Bid amount of Culieros Botox Builders and Design is 4,815,949 pesos and 40 centavos. 4,850,949 pesos and 40 centavos. Next bidder for 24FL0039 is Skyla Construction Supply. Bid for bill of quantities, detailed estimates, summary of unit prices, summary of bid prices, cash flow. Bid amount of Skyla Construction Supply is 4,875,750 pesos and 80 centavos. 4,875,750 pesos and 80 centavos with no offer discount. Mr. Chair, we have finished opening the bids for 24FL0039. Let us proceed. Opening for 24FL0050. May we request the box secretariat to please retrieve their bids from the bid box. So 24FL0050, construction of San Bernardo to Miliga Biga Beach, Access Road, Bulusan, Sorsogon, with an ABC of 9,900,000 pesos only and contract duration of 113 calendar days. So ito po ang kanilang bids, properly labeled, sealed and signed. May we request the box secretariat to please open their bids. When opening their bids, let me read out those bidders who submitted manually for this project. We have 2 bidders who submitted manually and wala po tayong nag-submit through our electronic submission. They are JM Rayo, Construction Services, and GDBS Builders and Enterprise. Mr. Chair, ito na po ang kanilang technical proposal for 24FL50. While we are opening this, may we request the box secretariat to simultaneously process their eligibility requirements through our civil works application. First bidder for 24FL0050 is GBBS. Bid securing declaration, sign and notarize. Organizational chart for the contract, sign. List of contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract with their qualification data. List of equipment owned or leased and or under purchase agreement pledged to the proposed project with attached proof of ownership. With certification of availability. List of minimum material testing equipment pledged to the contract with attached proof of ownership. Omnibus sworn statement, signed and notarized. Additional technical requirements. Affidavit of site inspection. Next bidder is JM Rayo Construction Services. Bid securing declaration, signed and notarized. Contractors organizational chart for the contract, signed. List of contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract with their qualification data. And key personnel's affidavit of commitment to work on the contract. List of contractors' major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract, supported by certification of availability and with attached proof of ownership. Omnibus sworn statement, signed and notarized. Affidavit of site inspection, construction methods, integrity. Mr. Chair, we have finished opening the bids, the technical proposal of 24FL0050. And I have here with me the result of their eligibility requirements processed through our CWA or Civil Works application, and upon careful evaluation po, it was found that both bidders, GDBS Builders and Enterprise, and JM Rayo Construction Services both passed their eligibility requirements.
Since both bidders passed the eligibility and qualifying requirements, please proceed with the opening of the financial proposals.
May we request the Back Secretariat to please open their financial proposal. Mr. Chair, let us proceed opening their financial proposal. For 24FL0050, we have GDBS Builders and Enterprise. Bid 4, bill of quantities, detailed estimates, summary of bid prices, summary of unit prices, cash flow. Bid amount of GDBS is 9,652,949 pesos and 46 centavos. 9,652,949 pesos and 46 centavos with no offered discount. Next bidder for 24FL0050 is JM Rayo Construction Services. Bid 4. Summary of bid prices, bill of quantities, detailed estimates, summary of unit prices, cash flow. Bid amount of JM Rayo is 9,720,657 pesos and 47 centavos. 9,720,657 pesos and 47 centavos with no offer discount. Mr. Chair, we have finished opening the bids for 24FL0050, and let us now proceed opening the bids for 24FL0095. May we request the Back Secretariat to please retrieve their bids from our bid box. 24FL0095 is concreting of San Ramon, Barcelona to Santa Barbara, FMR, Barangay San Ramon, Barcelona, and Barangay Santa Barbara, Bulusan, Sorsogon, with contract duration of 108 calendar days and an ABC of 9,950,000 pesos only. So ito po ang kanilang bids, properly labeled, sealed, and signed. May we request the Back Secretariat to please open their bids. And while opening their bids, let me read out those bidders who submitted manually and wala po tayong nag-submit through our electronic submission. So these are the two bidders who submitted manually: GDBS Builders and Enterprise from Legazpi City and Kaila Construction Supply from Legazpi City. Mr. Chair, let us proceed opening their technical proposal, and again, may we request the Back Secretariat to please simultaneously process their eligibility requirements through our Civil Works application. For the 24FL0095, first bidder is Kaila Construction Supply. Bid securing declaration, signed and notarized, field jets. Contractors organizational chart for the contract, signed. Qualification of key personnel proposed to the assigned contract. List of contractors' key personnel to be assigned to the contract with their qualification data. List of contractors' major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract, supported by certification of availability. With attached proof of ownership. List of contractors' minimum material testing equipment units to be assigned to the contract, supported by certification of availability. And with attached proof of ownership. Omnibus warrant statement, signed and notarized. Additional technical requirements. Next bidder for 24FL0095 is GDBS Builders and Enterprise. Bid securing declaration. Statement of availability of key personnel, organizational chart for the contract, list of contractors' key personnel to be assigned to the contract with their qualification data. With certificate of employment. List of equipment owned or leased and or under purchase agreement pledged to the proposed project with attached proof of ownership and certificate of availability of equipment. List of minimum material testing equipment pledged to the contract with attached proof of ownership. Omnibus warrant statement, signed and notarized. Affidavit of site inspection, integrity pledge. Mr. Chair, we have finished opening their technical proposal. And I have here with me the result of their eligibility requirements processed through our civil works application. And upon careful evaluation po, both bidders for 24FL0095 passed their eligibility requirements.
Since both bidders passed eligibility and technical requirements, please proceed with the opening of their financial proposals.
May we request the back secretariat to please open their financial proposal. Let us proceed opening their financial proposal. For 24FL0095, the first bidder is Kyla Construction Supply. Bid for bill of quantities, detailed estimates, summary of bid prices, summary of unit prices, cash flow. Bid amount is 9,721,524 pesos and 49 centavos. 9,721,524 pesos and 49 centavos with no offer discount. Next bidder for 24FL0095 is GDBS Builders and Enterprise. Bid for bill of quantities, detailed estimates, summary of unit prices, summary of bid prices, cash flow. Bid amount is 9,701,745 pesos and 25 centavos. 9,701,745 pesos and 25 centavos with no offer discount. Mr. Chair, we have finished opening all the three projects scheduled for today's opening of bids.
Reminders po, all submitted documents will undergo bid validation. The Hope reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award a contract in the situations under Section 41 of the IRR. For compliance under Section 32, members of the BAC, staff, personnel, Secretariat, and DPWH, as well as observers, are prohibited from making or accepting any communication with any bidder regarding the evaluation of their bids until the issuance of the notice of award. However, the BAC, through its Secretariat, may ask in writing the bidder for any clarification of its bid. All response to request or for clarification shall be made in writing. May questions po? Since we have no more matters to discuss, this bid opening is now adjourned. Salamat po.